Ever find yourself right in the middle of a hectic day with no time to eat healthily? We understand, which is why we're here to tackle this common issue. Because, let's face it, maintaining good eating habits amidst a bustling schedule can be tough. Stay tuned as we unravel 10 essential healthy eating hacks for busy people. Starting with hack number 10, plan and prepare your meals in advance. This nifty trick not only helps you stick to a healthy eating plan, but it also saves you precious time during the week. Now, let's dive into hack number 9, keeping healthy snacks on hand. These can be your secret weapon against those midday hunger pangs. Moving on to hack number 8, it's all about drinking plenty of water. Hydration is not just vital for your body, it also helps to curb unnecessary snacking. Remember, preparation is key, and hydration is essential. Moving on to hack number 7, opt for whole foods instead of processed ones. Whole foods are packed with nutrients and fiber, which keep you feeling satisfied longer. They also lack the added sugars and unhealthy fats found in many processed foods. Now hack number 6, eat smaller portions throughout the day. This helps control hunger and prevents overeating. Finally, hack number 5, stock up on protein-rich foods. Protein keeps you feeling full and fuels your busy day. Whole foods and proteins are your best friends, and remember, moderation is key. Diving into hack number 4, make fruits and vegetables your go-to snack. Vibrant in color, packed with fiber, and brimming with essential vitamins, these natural treats are your best bet for a quick pick-me-up. Moving on, hack number 3 is about embracing healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and seeds are not just delicious, they help keep you satiated. Lastly, hack number 2 champions the art of mindful eating. Slow down, savor every bite, and listen to your body. Fruits, vegetables, and mindful eating, the holy trinity of healthy eating. And finally, the number 1 hack, never skip breakfast. Let's pause for a moment and reflect on the significance of this. Breakfast, as the first meal of the day, plays a pivotal role in setting the tone for the rest of the day. It's like the starting gun for your metabolic race, signaling your body that it's time to get going. When you skip breakfast, you're essentially starting the race with a handicap. Your body is playing catch-up all day, leading to cravings, overeating, and ultimately, poor nutrition. But a balanced breakfast, rich in proteins, healthy fats, and whole grains, can jumpstart your metabolism and help you make healthier choices throughout the day. So, if you're in the habit of skipping breakfast, it's time to reconsider. Remember, a healthy day starts with a healthy breakfast. So, there you have it. 10 essential healthy eating hacks for those perpetually busy days. Stay healthy, stay productive,